how to verify your age on TikTok. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your age on TikTok. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. First, we are on TikTok support page. So, this information is verified by TikTok themselves. Usually, you'll only need to verify your age if a feature is blocked or if TikTok asks you to confirm your date of birth. When that happens, you'll receive a notification inside the app. So start by opening that notification and tapping on Appeal or Verify Age to begin the process. Once you tap Appeal, TikTok will guide you through a few different verification options depending on your age and location. One of the most common methods is the selfie with ID option. If you're 16 or older, TikTok may ask you to upload a photo of a valid government-issued ID, like a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. You'll also need to take a selfie of yourself holding that same ID and a piece of paper with the unique code that TikTok gives you during the process. Make sure everything is clear and readable in the photo before submitting it. If you're between 16 and 17 years old, TikTok might require help from a parent or guardian. In this case, your parent or guardian will confirm your age and may receive an email to verify your date of birth. Sometimes TikTok will ask for a photo that includes you and your parent or guardian together, both facing the camera. They may also need to hold a piece of paper that says TikTok proof of age, along with your date of birth and the unique code TikTok provides. If a parent or guardian isn't available, TikTok may allow another trusted adult over the age of 25 to help with the verification. Just follow the instructions shown on your screen carefully and upload the requested photos or documents. After you submit everything, TikTok will review your information. This can take some time, so keep an eye on your notifications or email for updates. Once your age is verified, the restricted features should become available again. And that's how you can verify your age on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.